Today, we're diving into something that impacts nearly every business involved in the sale of packaged goods, the legal metrology, Packaged Commodities Amendment Rules, 2023. These amendments have introduced several key changes that businesses need to be aware of to stay compliant. Whether you are a manufacturer, retailer, or an e-commerce seller, this video is for you. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, legal, and advisory services. Before we delve into the specifics of the amendment, let's take a moment to understand why legal metrology is so crucial in India. At its core, legal metrology ensures that the rights of consumers are protected by enforcing accurate measurements and fair practices in trade. It's about ensuring that what you see on the label is what you get, no more, no less. Now, let's break down the legal metrology, Packaged Commodities Amendment Rules, 2023. One of the first things to note is the introduction of new definitions that better categorize packages. Now it's categorized as combination package, group package, multi-piece package. Combination package. A combination package is a retail package that contains two or more different items. These items are typically unrelated but are bundled together for the convenience of the customer. Think about those special festive gift packs you see during Diwali. A box might include a selection of dry fruits, chocolates, lamp, and maybe a small idol. Each of these items serves a different function, snacking, decoration, and spirituality, but they're bundled together as a festive gift set. This is another perfect example of a combination package. Group package. A group package includes items that are similar but not identical. These items might vary in size, shape, or brand but generally belong to the same category. Picture a pack of toothbrushes you might buy for your family. You've got 5 toothbrushes in the pack, each one a different color, with some soft bristled, some medium, and maybe even a couple with a different design. They're all toothbrushes, so they're similar, but they're not identical. This is what we call a group package. Multi-piece package. A multi-piece package is one that contains multiple identical items. These items are the same in quantity, quality, and purpose, often sold together for convenience. Let's talk about a pack of ballpoint pens. When you buy a package that contains 10 pens, all the same color, same brand, and same ink type, this is a multi-piece package. Every pen in the pack is identical, designed to give you the same writing experience. Now let's move to Rule 6 of the Legal Metrology Rules has seen significant updates, particularly concerning the labeling of spare parts and accessories. From April 1, 2024, spare parts and accessories used for servicing under warranty will no longer need to display certain labeling information when not sold to end customers. For electronic products, it's now mandatory to declare the month and year of manufacture on the retail package in a visible and legible manner. Next, special provisions for e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, the amendment also introduces new rules for e-commerce. Packages sold online must now include the name and address of the manufacturer or marketer, a consumer email ID and phone number, the retail sale price inclusive of all taxes, and the net quantity or number of items. Now let's move to another important update. Recently, the Department of Consumer Affairs, under the Weights and Measures Unit, issued a communication regarding a proposed amendment to Rule 3 of the Legal Metrology, Packaged Commodities Rules, 2011. This proposal seeks to bring clarity to how these rules are applied. Let's break down what Rule 3 currently states. The provisions of this rule outline specific cases where the legal metrology rules do not apply. Packages containing quantities of more than 25 kilograms or 25 liters, this includes large bulk items. Cement, fertilizer, and agricultural farm produce sold in bags above 50 kilograms, these are generally large-scale commodities. Packaged commodities meant for industrial or institutional consumers, these are not for retail sale but for larger organizations. However, here's where the issue comes in. The term, agricultural farm produce, isn't clearly defined under the existing rules. This lack of definition has led to confusion about whether these rules apply to all packaged commodities meant for retail sale. Essentially, this gray area has made it difficult to enforce the rules consistently across different markets. To address this problem, the department has proposed an amendment to Rule 3. The new provision would clarify that these rules apply to all packaged commodities sold in bags for retail. However, they would continue to exclude packaged commodities intended for industrial or institutional consumers. Now let's move to how can MindSync help. Now that we've covered the what, let's talk about the how. How can businesses like yours adapt to these new regulations effectively and efficiently? This is where expert guidance becomes invaluable. At MindSync, we specialize in helping businesses navigate the complex landscape of legal metrology, particularly when it comes to packaged commodities. MindSync offers a comprehensive range of services in legal metrology, including registration services, whether you need to register as a manufacturer, importer, or packer at the central or state level, we've got you covered. Licensing, from model approval to obtaining and renewing licenses for weights and measures, we manage it all. Calibration and verification, ensuring your instruments are correctly calibrated and verified is critical, and we handle that process for you. Legal support, we provide assistance with label reviews, notice reviews, and relief under Rule 32 of the Legal Metrology Rules. With MindSync by your side, you can focus on your business while we ensure you stay compliant with the latest legal metrology regulations. So, why take a chance? Let us help you make the transition smooth and hassle-free.